Something cool to see, we just got two lovely packages from FI Exhaust. If you guys don't know FI Exhaust, they've been around for a long time. We used to do a lot of their systems. But here we have two Ferrari systems. These are full systems from FI. This is the 812 system. So as you see, quad tips. You got the X pipe, and then you got your really long catless downpipes over there. So this is going to be very, very loud. V12, obviously from Ferrari, it's going to scream. It does have valves, so when you activate the valve, it'll go through this little canister, so it'll make it a little bit quieter. Not much, but just a little bit. Really, really well done. I've never had a problem with fitment with FI. And then check out this beauty right here. This is a Ferrari 458 exhaust system. This is the full thing. As you can see, there's headers. So this is going to scream, and this is a naturally aspirated 8-cylinder, obviously. So it's gonna have that crazy Ferrari sound. You got your triple tips right in the middle. You have your valved muffler system in the back. So also same concept. You turn the valves on and goes through that little muffler. It's gonna make it a little bit more quieter. We also have these two pipes in the middle. That's basically the downpipes. And then, of course, we have the headers. As you can see, this is significantly shorter than the other one because this is a rear engine and that's a front engine Ferrari. So this 458 is here right now, and we have to install a little bit of carbon fiber parts on it. We put BBS LMRs on it already. We already slammed it. So we're gonna be putting this on, and it's gonna be complete at that point. The 812 is actually a GTS, so that's a convertible 812. This car is still at port. The customer's been waiting for it. It's a black on red 812 GTS, so we're excited to get that too. We are standing behind the lovely 458 Ferrari. We just got finished up installing the full FI exhaust system. This has headers, it has the bypass cap pipes, and it has the rear muffler valve section. Obviously, as you can see, the signature three tips for the 458 Ferrari. And it comes with this pretty crazy looking remote. It looks crazier than a car key, to be honest. Two buttons. This is for the valves on the exhaust system, because this thing is gonna be insanely loud. It's probably going to be one of the loudest cars we've had here. You guys already know the SVJs are usually the loudest, but I think this is going to be even more piercing loud than the SVJ straight pipes. So let's go ahead, give it a start up, and see how she sounds. Did not go over 3,000 RPM there. So I showed you guys the difference between the on and off on the valves. Significant difference, because this thing, no valves, you can't drive this thing everywhere. You're gonna have a lot of problems. So I don't know, it's a car shop. So we're gonna take it out for a spin. I can't rev it in here. All of our ears are gonna explode, even though it's already exploding already. But we're gonna add the carbon fiber stuff and take it out for a spin. Guys, we are standing in front of this Ferrari 458. We installed a full FI exhaust system with headers, cat deletes, rear valve muffler. This thing screams. It's a spider, as you can see. I was too scared to put the top down during the rolling shots as it was so loud. The beauty of this system is it has a nice remote system and it controls the valves on the muffler, and it goes from like insanely loud to almost stock quiet. It's actually very, very impressive. I wouldn't believe there's going to be that drastic difference between the sound, but there is. We installed BBS LMRs, Novatech springs, carbon fiber throughout. We still have a little bit of carbon fiber to install on the front bumper and the mirrors, but we wanted to film this with the sound for you guys.